Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete photos on iPhone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your Photos app. Now from here tap on albums, then open any album. Now from here choose the photo that you want to delete permanently. If you want to delete this photo permanently, just touch and hold it, then tap on delete, then tap on delete photo, and it's done. Now if you want to delete this photo permanently from your phone, then just go back, then scroll down, then tap on recently deleted, then scan your Face ID, and here you can see the photo that you have deleted just now. Now you have to delete this photo from here to delete permanently. Then just touch and hold it, then tap on delete, then tap on delete from all devices, and it's done. Now the photo has been permanently deleted successfully. And that is how you can permanently delete photos on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.